just touching up a wall I just painted. Welcome back to another episode of Drew It Yourself. Today, I'm gonna, have you ever wondered like what you could do to clean your brush out after you paint a wall? Well, this is really easy. And the kind of paint I used, this is for regular wall paint. So I don't know if this is good for any brush, but like wall paint, okay? So what you do is you take your brush and you come to a sink and then you like turn on the water. Any temperature really, I think. You might want to research that a little bit, but I just use any temperature. Just get it nice and warm because that feels good. And then you take your brush and you just kind of put it under the water. And you just let the water clean your brush out like that. You can use your hand if you want, or you can just let it sit there for a minute and then squeeze. Sometimes I'll go like that, or go like that. And you just let the water run through it until you see the paint get out. And you know, there's probably all kinds of different things you could do. You can massage this. I kind of do that sometimes. Or press it down and let that water run over it. You see how all that paint's coming out? So I'm going to do this for a little bit until this comes out, but that water just gets the paint out. It's kind of cool. Sometimes I'll go like this. Oh, but see that probably wasn't very good because it then got on the wall. But if I have a deep sink or something, I'll do that because, you know, that gets the paint out. But it's probably not a good idea right now. So I'm just going to keep kneading this until this gets completely clean. You can kind of just go like that. There's all kinds of different things you can do with this water. But then once you get it done, I just kind of turn off the water. And if I had a deeper sink, I'd do this more, but I'd go like that and get that last little bit of paint out. And then you just set it down on a paper towel and let it dry. And then it's ready for your next paint job. And that's just a little quick tip for you on Drew It Yourself. Let me know what you do to clean your paintbrushes. Do you use warm water or cold water?